know there's 135 million unworn items sitting in UK wardrobes, simply because people don't know how to wash them. Delicates come in all different types of fabrics, so I've got a few here to show you how to wash them. So we're going to start with silk. Always check the care label, but there are a few go-to rules that make washing silk a lot less intimidating. Place your silk items into a mesh laundry bag. You want to choose a hand wash or delicate cycle on your washing machine. Make sure you never wring out silk after washing. Instead, lay it on a clean towel, roll it up, and then you want to gently press it to dry, which will remove any excess water, and then leave it to air dry. Now for wool. The good news is that it can be washed in the washing machine, so long as you use the right settings. Check the label and then pop it in the washing machine on a low temperature, on a wool setting and with mild detergent. Once the wash is finished, reshape the jumper and then gently hang or lay flat to dry. And remember, never tumble dry wool. Lace follows similar rules. Use a hand wash or gentle cycle, mild detergent and cool temperature. Top tip, when drying lace, don't hang it because when it's wet, it can stretch the fabric. Instead, just lay it flat and let it air dry. Now, care labels can look really complicated, but when you know what to look for, they're actually really simple. The tub symbol means that the item can be washed in the washing machine, and the number inside tells you the maximum temperature it can be washed at. A hand in the tub means hand wash only. A crossed out tub means do not wash in the washing machine. Next up is drying. A square with the circle means it can go in the tumble dryer. The dots show the heat level. For example, 1 dot means tumble dry on a low heat, and 3 dots means tumble dry on a high heat. If it's crossed out, it can't be tumble dried. And that's it. A quick label check and the right settings on the washing machine keeps the clothes you love looking their best for longer.